Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Spreadsheets in 30 Minutes, a book available from spreadsheetsin30minutes.com. And today I'm going to be talking about something that is confusing for a lot of people, and that's how to use sorting in a spreadsheet. And I'm going to try to make this very simple. We have a list here. This is a list that an HR department made. That's 10 employees, the different departments they're in, and how much they're receiving for a holiday bonus. And what you often see is a department wants to organize a list and alphabetize it. And manually doing this would be a nightmare. But Excel has a function that's actually built right into the toolbar that lets you do it automatically. And it's called sorting. Now there's a couple things you have to do carefully, because if you don't do it right, you can actually cause some big problems for yourself later on. So I'll show you basically what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. And if you wanted to alphabetize the list, a single column list, it's pretty simple. You just highlight the list like that, and then you hit sort A to Z. This will mean it will alphabetize it. Press the button, and look, it's alphabetized it starting with the first name. So Beth is first, Terry is last. But I don't know if you just noticed this, it only organized this column. It did not match up everything else, and that's a big problem, because you can imagine where Beth, maybe her bonus was a lot more or a lot less than before, and now it's listed as 300. So you have to be really careful that you're selecting the right data. And these buttons on some versions of Excel sometimes don't automatically get everything. So what I usually like to do when I'm sorting is actually to do it in a different way using the data sort command here. And what will happen is, if you've selected one column, as I've done here, and you hit data sort, it will prompt you if you want to expand the selection. Yes, do this. This means that all of the columns will be included, and then everything will be sorted at once. So on earlier versions of Excel, you'll see this sort of window come up, and then also on the latest version of Excel, which is as of this writing, it's Microsoft Excel 2010. It's only one at a time, but then you can add things. It looks a little confusing, but it's pretty simple. So basically what it's asking is, so you want to sort by the name column. You'll see the first column is name, or do you want to sort by department or bonus? Well, I do want to sort by name. It prompts me ascending, which means from A to Z, or descending, which means from Z to A. Most people alphabetize A to Z. So that's what I'm going to do. Leave these blank. Make sure that you check off header row if it's not already selected. That means it won't also sort name along with the names here. So let's do it. So what happened is it sorted it alphabetically, and then the departments and the bonuses all match up. And as I said before, when I made the mistake, it listed Beth's bonus as $300. It's actually $700. So that's pretty good. Now let's say that we have another scenario. I'm going to put all this data back the way it was before. So this is the original list, and I want to sort two things. First, I want to sort it by department, and then I want to sort it by bonus from largest to smallest. And sort actually lets you do that. So here's how. You can either sort one column and then have Excel prompt you to expand the selection, but you can also just select everything yourself at once. So I'm going to select all this data and go to Data, Sort. Now the first thing I want to sort is the department. So this is going to sort it ascending, and then I'm going to sort the bonus level descending. And the reason is I want to see who gets the biggest bonus at each department, because that's the kind of HR person that I am. So select those, header row, it's selected there, so it won't sort the name, department, or bonus fields. And then just hit OK. And here we go. It sorted everything by the department alphabetically, and then from largest to smallest. So let's see, the assembly department, they have 4 people. So L is getting the biggest bonus. Bill Kine is getting the smallest one. And then for transport, which only has 1 person, there's nothing to sort. But because transport is last alphabetically, it got put at the end of the list. So that's how you handle sorting. I explain a lot more about sorting and filtering in my book, Spreadsheets in 30 Minutes, which you can get from spreadsheetsin30minutes.com right here. And I also put some helpful videos up there if you still need to get the hang of things by seeing an example on the screen. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.